Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the date on the KOBO Clara Colour e-reader. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the More tab, so press on More in the bottom right, then press Settings, and then press Date and Time and select the date. So press on this date window right here, on this one. So here you can adjust the date by pressing on the day, the month, or the year, and then pressing the arrows to adjust the thing that you have just selected. So as you can see, I'm adjusting right here. I know why it jumps from 2025 to 2038, but that's how you adjust it. You can adjust the months, the day, the days, and once you've done that, just press Set, and your options will be saved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.